If you've been following me on this project, today I have to drill through a beam in order to get some lag bolts into the structural supports underneath posts that we're putting in. So I'm going to test out a drill bit to see if it works out for drilling through an I-beam. So many drill bits, which one to pick? These step bits are great, a bit expensive. They all run around that range in price. But I don't need a step bit, I just need something that I can drill a hole straight through. And I need about a 5/16 hole. So there's a 5/16 drill bit, let's see what it can drill. It shows an iron beam right there. This one's $13. This one says it's up to 8 times faster. It's got an iron beam, it says all metal, stainless steel. And it says it gets 100 times more. Well, let's give it a shot today and see which one works out better. And by the way, this one is $11. This is a 10-inch lag screw that I'm going to be running through the I-beam and into the lumber. I'll be doing 2 of these today. So here's the I-beam that I have to drill through. Let's try this one first. An important note about this one, it has a shank for using it with an impact drill. I'm going to make sure I have a fresh brand new battery for both of them. If you don't have an extension like this for your drill, you should get one. It's great to have in your tool bag. Drill number 1. Support my channel and style. Get yourself a carpenter sweatshirt made by Home Maintenance Mastery. It's got the hammer on it so you can smash that subscribe button. Super important, make sure that you check power lines. All I can say is it's a good thing this bee's nest is dead. Out of bounds in real trouble. One of the problems about not having a professional cameraman is you miss the shots. So I recorded that whole thing and I didn't get any drill on there at all, but this is the drill bit that I use, I promise you. And yeah, let's do the next one. This one now. I'll make sure I get this one on camera for you. Sorry about that. It's tough to do it by yourself.
Well, I have a little dreidel, I made it out of clay, and when it's dry and ready, then dreidel I shall play. Oh, dreidel, 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 I made it out of clay, and when it's dry and ready, then dreidel I will play. Deck the halls with boughs of holly, fa la 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 la, la 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 la. 'Tis the season to be jolly, fa la 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 la, la 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 la. Don we now our gay apparel, fa la 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 la. Draw the ancient Yuletide carol, fa la 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 la, la 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 la. Deck the halls with boughs of holly, fa la 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 la, la 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 la. 'Tis the season to be jolly, fa la 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 la, la 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 la. Don we now our gay apparel, fa la 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 la. Draw the ancient Yuletide carol, fa la 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 la, la 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 la.
I'm running into some problems towards the end here. Nope, well, they both did work, so that's one thing. The major differences that I seen between the two when I was doing it, the yellow one definitely went through smoother. I'll check the timing on the video to see which one actually drilled faster. The blue one looked like it had bigger coils coming off, but it ended up getting stuck towards the end, and I think it got hotter. In both case scenarios, You can use those bits to drill through an I-beam to put some lags through it if that's what you need to do. They will both work for you. I did have better success with the yellow one as far as usability. Now I'm going to drive the lag bolts through and sure everything up.